Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's video we are going to be stripping out all the boiler and all the pipe work. Gas has been capped off at the front door by a gas engineer, so the only thing live now is the water feed, but I'll leave that in for now. We're going to strip it all out, strip all the copper, and then strip all the pipe work out and let it drain out. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do, this is the tap for the water feed, which is this one. That gives you your hot water through the taps, and then this is the loop into the heating system where you can pressurize up by opening this. So the first thing I'm going to do is just undo this, let the water drain out the heat system from here. I'm going to go over in the corner here and then just open up this valve and let the water out by here, and then that should let all the air bubbles through and push all the water out that we need. But I just got to be careful about capping this off. I probably have to get my stop ends out at some point, turn the water off and just isolate it. Right, so we just slack this off. Hopefully this doesn't gush everywhere. It should just drain out slowly. Oh, there you go, no water at all. I'm assuming that's some sort of backflow, stop it coming back through. So I'm wondering if I cut through the pipe and it should just come through. So I've just slackened the nut by there. I think it's probably a lot of water holding behind this pipe. I'm just getting the bucket now, and then I'm going to take that end off and hopefully empty the system. Right guys, there you go. That's the other end open, so that allows the air bubbles to escape either end. And it's still going. I'm just going to keep letting it drain and drain and drain and drain until it is done. And then we can start cutting out pipes and getting everything gone. Okay, so gas pipe cut out, water feed to the rads cut out. Now I'm just going to follow back this pipe up the wall, across there and across the ceiling, find out where it goes, and I'm going to disconnect it as close as possible to the water supply, and then cut all that out. And then once that's out, I can cut all the hot pipe for the taps out as well. So get some more copper out the ceiling and make it look a bit tidier. That's the pipe there, running up there, the thin 15mm, the 22mm is the hot for the taps. So that's running over into the bathroom, excuse the state. It's going up overhead over there, 15mm and 22mm, down under here, and that 15mm and 22mm is coming in the corner, connected to the water feed from there, and running across there is a cold, and then that's our hot. So I'm just going to come in here, turn the water off and disconnect the pipes up the top there and cap off the cold, and then drain out the hot water. Right, so the cold water is turned off in the street because you've probably seen from the last clip the stopcock is rusty as hell. So I'm going to turn this open, aim her into the bucket, and that should just drain all the system. I've got the taps open in the kitchen, and that should then just allow us to drain the system completely, cut all the pipework back, stop ends, and turn the water back on. But before I do that, I'm just going to double check my plumbing box to make sure I got plenty of stop ends for 15mm copper. So this is my plumbing box, guys. And let's have a quick look. There we go. We've got 15mm stop ends. We've got the olives. We've plenty of PTFT tape. And we've got loads of fittings for plumbing if we do need them. Always have some spare fittings, guys, if you're ever going to do DIY on a Sunday after 4 o'clock. Alright, so no water's come out just yet, but it's going somewhere. There's lots of air bubbles blowing up, and I can hear the tap in the kitchen going, so I think it's all going out that way. We probably will get a little gush somewhere of water, maybe. Oh, a little drop there. But I think that is the system drained, so we can start cutting out. Okay, so that's our cold feed to the boiler capped off. I'm going to cut this pipe now and cut that out, and that's just our feed to the hot water, and then I can strip all that out from the kitchen as well and through into the bathroom, and that's all the hot water gone for now. Okay guys, so that's the boiler completely stripped off. No connections, apart from that one overflow and this sump pumpy type thing. Just going to strip the rest of this out now. I need to turn the water back on because I need to wash my hands because it is stinking. And once that's done, I slowly strip all the pipes out and happy days, no more boiler. Just a little tip guys, when you're trying to get radiators off and you don't want to get water everywhere and you can't get a bucket or tray under there, just tuck up a black bag behind, or any plastic bag with no holes in, and just tuck it up behind and let it drain slowly. Once it's filled up a little bit, you can pick that bag up then and empty it and keep repeating the process. I learned this off a plumber that done my house before. It's quite effective. So the water's pulsing like that because there's air bubbles, and I'm assuming this is just going to gush out in a minute once all the air's gone. Oh, there we go. There's the continuous flow we're looking for. So that should be the end of the radiator. That should be empty in a couple of seconds. Although not the most interesting video, is videos like these just show behind the scenes of what needs to be done to progress the build and declutter the attic space for the new electrical cables and new pipework.